Hey guys, good evening. Let's quickly sum up all the things we're going to talk about in today's video. BEP-20 tokens are now accepted on crypto.com. Republic is offering security NFT for fans who want to invest in songs and albums. Binance Launchpad lottery ticket for Axie Infinity AXS sold for $200, now worth $250,000. XRP lawsuit. Regardless of the SEC's perspective on privileged materials, the court demands a camera review. On October 8, Crypto.com announced its entry into the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, declaring support for BEP-20 tokens, the Binance Smart Chain token standard. Various crypto tokens of the BEP-20 standard, which is an extension of ERC-20, the most popular Ethereum token standard, have been adopted by the exchange. Leading crypto assets including Dogecoin, Cardano, Litecoin, Cosmos, Bitcoin Cash, and Avalanche are among these tokens. BNB will also have additional utility as it is now supported by CryptoEarn, allowing eligible Crypto.com app users to enjoy up to 3% per annum on their BNB deposits paid in BNB. Mentioned Crypto.com's official blog about their BNB CryptoEarn product. Crypto.com is also a top official sponsor of one of the most prestigious athletic events in history, the Formula One Championship, which will take place in 2021. They're also minting NFTs in collaboration with the Aston Martin F1 racing team. The platform's banners are frequently seen on numerous race courses throughout the world. The platform's acceptance of BEP-20 tokens boosts the Binance Smart Chain's visibility to new heights. Republic, an investment platform, is now providing security NFTs, which are intended at allowing music lovers to share the rights to artists' earnings. Fans' investments in artists' songs and albums, as well as the eventual returns such music assets create through plays, streaming, and licensing, are referred to as SNFTs. One of Republic's primary goals is to return control of artists' music to them while simultaneously involving fans. According to the company's website, this type of investment often entails purchasing music rights through membership units of the LLC that owns a song or album. The identical membership units that would normally be represented by an LLC membership certificate will be represented by the SNFT, Republic's Chief Strategy Officer Piyali Aditya told the blog. Initially, fans will be able to purchase Lil Pump's new single Mona Lisa, which features Soulja Boy, as well as an unnamed tune by electronic musician KSHMR. Artists may ultimately use Republic to sell tickets, merchandise, and non-security NFT drops to investors. For its music-related investments, Republic is employing the decentralized peer-to-peer financing platform Opulus. Opulus is based on the Algorand blockchain, focuses on DeFi loans for musicians and NFTs, which allow music fans to own a piece of an artist's copyright. Republic is providing SNFTs through the Regulation Crowdfunding Program in the United States. Republic is a registered crowdfunding platform, allowing it to conduct Reg CF offerings, Aditya explained. According to current market values, the 2000 Axie Infinity tokens assigned to each AXS Binance Launchpad lottery ticket, which cost $200 at the time, are now worth more than $250,000, marking a gain of almost 124,900% in just over a year. Binance stated in October 2020 that the Axie Infinity public auction would take place on its launchpad. As the 17th project to go live on the launchpad, Axie Infinity, a popular play-to-earn NFT game initiative, made its debut. The AXS token sale was held in the manner of a lottery with a total of 14,850 tickets up for grabs at the time. The launchpad received 2.97 lakh AXS, or 11% of the entire supply of the tokens, according to Binance. Since each unit of AXS was valued at $0.10, each lottery ticket received 2,000 units of AXS currency, and $200 worth of BNB was removed from the winner's Binance spot balance. Axie Infinity presently has over 1.5 million active users trading the cryptocurrency across major exchanges like Coinbase Pro, Binance, and KuCoin, among others, in addition to the growing number of AXS active holders. NFTs have recently sparked a lot of attention, with a number of celebrities from the sports and entertainment worlds becoming involved. Blockchain gaming is a hot topic among retail investors in the NFT industry. The enormous interest in NFT gaming may be linked to a great degree to the spectacular surge in AXS value. This market was valued at approximately $180 billion in August 2021, with the value projected to exceed $200 billion in the next few months. According to recent interactions, the court recently granted Ripple's September 24 appeal, which sought the inclusion of 3 documents by the SEC for in-camera review, which the plaintiff had either redacted or withheld by classifying them as privileged. The 2 documents linked to the SEC's meetings with law firms, as well as the email trail regarding conversations with a third party who got direction from the SEC to access its digital asset within the framework laid forth in Hinman's June 24, 2018 address, are among the materials. Judge Netburn has directed the SEC to explain its privilege arguments for all of those papers by October 15, 2021 at the latest. On the public docket, the SEC must also submit a redacted version of its submission. Ripple's answer to the matter is likewise expected by October 22, 2021 at the latest. Ripple filed a letter to the court last month requesting that 3 documents be included to the in-camera review based on a privilege log given by the SEC after the August 31, 2021 telephone call. The SEC, on the other hand, protested, claiming that these records aren't relevant to the court's previous orders. Furthermore, the SEC stated that the documents in question were placed on the privilege list due to their seemingly useless character, which might lead to needless litigation. The SEC also claimed that the papers are subject to the DPP, as well as duplication of discussions with previously submitted exhibits for in-camera examination. So that's all for today. We'll get back to you tomorrow morning. Until then, join our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel for daily updated crypto news.